doing simple makeup for school. We're going to use basically four products just to basically brush my brows. And I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow from my Zara out of it and filling my brows. So you want to do this lightly because you don't want it to be too much. You still want it to be natural. This rub just filling to take out any extra products. We're going to be using cold spray. I'm using butterfly. You can use basically any one that you have. Spray it on my brows. What this does is to keep the brows in place. Next, we're going to do is hide blemishes using very small, minimal foundation to cover some areas like here, on my eye, around here. I'm using my beauty mirror to blend this out. I'm using most of the products to blend up all the same. Agree with me that there's a difference between here and here. Six is to powder your face, so I'm going to use powder that's your shade so it looks natural. So I'm going to use a brighter shade for my powder fillet to kind of highlight underneath my eyes because I have dark skin. I'm going to do that quickly. To use my brush again to brush out any excess of powder on my face. I'm going to be using the kaja underneath my eye. So I'm using the same kaja on my lip. I'm going to clean up my lip gloss. I use my tip of my hands to blend it out. Your favorite gloss on your lips. Wow, you're done, and that's a finished look. You're good to go to class.